Hello my dear brothers and sisters, welcome to my YouTube channel The Knowledge Bank. In this video we will discuss few important bits of botany and as well as zoology. And you can see here these bits are very important for the AIMS, JIPMER, NEET and as well as EAMCET and other competitive exams. And you can see here from the botany question number 1, all of the following are taxa at the same level in taxonomic hierarchy except what? Okay, Lupus, Nigrum, Canis, okay, Aestivum. So which one is right answer? The correct answer is third option, Canis is the right answer. Question number 2, individuals of two different species. Individuals of two different species. Option number 1, naturally interbreed freely and produce fertile offsprings, have same morphological features, and third one are reproductively isolated, or maybe the fourth one are always kept in same genus. The correct answer is option number 3, are reproductively isolated. Question number 3, choose the odd one for the taxa of wheat. Okay, Poales. Second option is Triticum. Third option is Anacardiaceae. Fourth one is Monocotyledonei. Correct answer is option number 3, Anacardiaceae. Next, question number 4, which of the given is not a taxonomic aid for study of plants? Herbarium, museum, key or zoological park. Study of plants. You can see a zoological park which is related to, okay, zoology. It means that not related to the plants, that is related to animals. Fifth one, the taxonomic aid which provides the index to the plant species found in a particular area is dash, flora, key, monograph or manual. So the correct answer is flora. What? Flora. Sixth question, carnivora of cats is equivalent to dash of housefly. Fill the blank with suitable option. Primate, Diptera, Insecta, Arthropoda. Sixth answer is option number 2, Diptera. Option number 2, Diptera. Next, question number 7, which of the given is a division? A, chordata. First one chordata. B, Arthropoda. Third one Angiospermae. Fourth one Monocotyledonei. So that seventh answer is third one, Angiospermae. Next, question number 8, all of the given are specific epithet of genus Solanum except first one Nigrum, second one Tuberosum, third one Melanogyna, fourth one Sapiens. The correct answer is Sapiens, fourth option. Next, question number 9, choose the odd one taxa of mango. Polymonials, Anacardiaceae, and Diclydonei, Mangifera. Correct answer is first one, Polymonals is the right answer. Next, which of the given taxonomic aid cannot be used for study of both plants and animals? First one key, second one museum, third one flora, fourth one monograph. The correct answer is flora. Okay, flora. Question number 11, a herbarium do not provide information regarding dash of specimens. Botanical name, vernacular name, family name or division. The correct answer is division. Option number 4. Now the 12th question, insecta of housefly is equivalent to dash of man. Fill the blank with suitable option. Primate, Mammalia. Next, chordata, Hominidae. The correct answer is second option, Mammalia. Question number 13, the common characters goes on describing when we move from dash to dash, kingdom to family, division to order, order to class, class to family. Correct answer is order to class, option number 3. Now the question number 14, Felidae and Canidae both are dash placed in the same order. Separate orders placed in the same class. Assigned to order primate, or unrelated families kept in the different orders. The correct answer is first one, placed in the same order. Question number 15. Choose the odd one from the given class. Mammalia, Monocotyledonei, Arthropoda, Dicotyledonei. And you can see here Arthropoda. Option number 3. Question number 16. Protein portion of a complex enzyme is called dash. First one, prosthetic group. Next, coenzymes, apoenzyme or holoenzyme. Correct answer is option number 3, apoenzyme. Next, question number 17. An organic cofactor permanently associated with protein component of enzyme is dash. Heme, NAD, zinc, iron, ADP. Correct answer, okay, heme. Option number 1. 18th one. Catalytic activity is lost when the dash is removed from the enzyme. Select the word which fills the blank correctly. Cofactor, competitive inhibitor, product or non-competitive inhibitor. The correct answer is cofactor, first one. Next, 19th one. Choose the incorrect statement. Incorrect. 3 right, 1 is wrong. Enzyme activity declines both below and above the optimum temperature. Okay. Allosteric enzymes follow typical Michaelis Menten kinetics. Increase in substance concentration initially increases the velocity of the enzymic reaction. A rise or fall in the optimum pH reduces enzyme activity. The correct answer is option number 2. Next, 20. In non-competitive inhibition, Km increases, Km decreases, Vmax remains same, Km remains same. The correct answer is Km remains same, option number 4. Question number 21. Heme is the prosthetic group in the enzyme salivary amylase pepsin. Next, peroxidase, catalase. Next, arginase or urease, lipase or hexokinase. The correct answer is option number 2, peroxidase and catalase. Next, which is the factor required for the actions of salivary amylase? Option is zinc, Ni, chlorine, copper. Correct option is option number 3, chlorine. Next, question number 23. Enzymes in humans get destroyed due to denaturation of proteins at low temperature, high temperature, optimum temperature, a temperature around 37 degree Celsius. The correct answer is high temperature, option number 2. Question number 24. Michaelis constant refers to the substance concentration at which the reaction reaches dash its maximum velocity. Okay, 3/4, 1/3, 1/4 or half. Correct answer is half. Next, question number 25. Here the two statements. Statement A, competitive inhibitor closely resembles the substrate, and second one, non-competitive inhibitor can bind to either free enzymes or enzyme substrate complex. Correct option, both statements are correct, only A is right. Okay, A is correct, only B is correct, or both statements are incorrect. The correct option and correct answer is both statements are correct, option number 1. Next, 26th question. Catalytic efficiency of two different enzymes can be compared on the basis of dash. Molecular weight of the enzyme, formation of the product, optimal pH or Km value. The correct answer is Km value. Next, choose the correct statement. Malonate is a competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase. Option number 2. A competitive inhibitor binds to the enzyme at a site distinct from that which binds the substrate. Option number 3, substrate binds with the enzyme at its inactive site. Option number 4, addition of lot of succinate does not reverse the inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase by malonate. The correct option of the 27th question is option number 1. Next, competitive enzyme inhibition causes increase in both Vmax and Km, unchanged Vmax and increase in Km, or unchanged Vmax and decrease in Km, decrease in both Vmax and Km. The correct answer is option number 2. Next, question number 29. The first step in the catalytic cycle of enzyme action is that the dash enzyme product complex is formed, release of products of reaction takes place, substrate binds, okay, substrate binds to active site, or enzyme alters its shape. The correct answer is option number 3, binds to active site. Question number 30. Enzymes quicken a reaction by lowering the dash temperature, pressure, okay, activation energy, or velocity of reaction. The correct answer is option number 3, activation energy. I hope you understood these all the questions. If you loved this video, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with others. Have a good day.